conversion of knowledge into wealth is the vision, and conversion of waste into wealth is the vision.
Designed and commissioned by SMS Limited, this unique, state-of-the-art, fully automated and one of the largest sewage reuse plants in India, spread over a sprawling 12.5 acres, takes in 130 mld of sewage water from the Nag River and cleans it as per the quality standards of a thermal power station before supplying it to Koradi.
अगर गंदगी से देश को मुक्ति दिलानी है तो फिर हमें तय करना होगा, हम गंदगी नहीं करेंगे.
Driven by the passion to set global benchmarks in the field of environmental engineering, SMS Limited has designed this plant to harbor a range of structures and equipments that function as clockwork. The entire facility is powered by 5,000 kilowatt of energy. Water from the Nag River is brought to the facility through pipeline into the intake structure, where floating material up to sizes of 6 mm is removed by fine screens. After primary cleaning, the water is sent to the primary clarifiers for partially removing BOD and TSS. Hydraulic retention time of 30 minutes is given at primary clarifiers for settling purpose. The water from primary clarifiers now flows to 8 CTEC basins for aerobic digestion of biological impurities in the presence of the oxygen supplied by the 24 blowers. This primary cleaned sewage water is now subjected to sequential filling and aeration, sedimentation and decanting mode for secondary cleaning. This water passes through the filter media to the under drainage system, from where it is transferred to the pumping sump by rising chambers. 8 pumps are used to transfer this treated water to Koradi, approximately 18 kilometers away from Bhandewadi, for cooling and ash handling system of thermal power station. With this ingenious project, SMS Limited has taken a monumental leap in the field of environmental engineering, which is a positive step in meeting the ever-increasing water demands in our country.
आपली औष्णिक विद्युत केंद्र आहे, ट्रीटेड पाणी त्यांनी विकत घेतलं पाहिजे. आज जे धरणातलं फ्रेश पाणी शेतीच्या ऐवजी, पिण्याच्या पाण्याच्या ऐवजी जे त्या ठिकाणी देतो औष्णिक विद्युत निर्मितीला, त्याच्याऐवजी ट्रीटेड पाणी आपल्याला त्यांना देता येईल आणि तेवढं पाणी आपल्याला वाचवता येईल.